Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create ebook cover. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. So these are some of the ebook cover you'll be learning to create, how to create all this type of videos. Now let's get to it. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this website straight. Sorry, the link will be included in the bio. So once you click on it, it's going to pop you up to this first phase. So this is the step one. You see this cover here? You can just check it out around and look for the one you want there. Just click on it up and down. All right, so the first things first is that the flyers that you want to show at the back of the book. So a graphic designer will have made the back cover of the book for you. So all you have to do is just click on next. After you click on the particular back you want, let's try the composite first. Let's just check through with it and look for the one we want. You just check through and check the one you like. Maybe it's the one with the back, with the book back, a Android and a tab, or the one with just a tab and a phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so let's just choose the one we want. Let's just choose this particular one. This. All right, we'll scroll up to next. We'll scroll up and click on next. All right, it's going to next us to the step 2 where we upload the back cover. Okay, so first of all, you click on your browse so that it will take you to your gallery where you are going to click on the particular picture. Because we click on the composite one, that's why we are going to upload 2 images. So let's just check through. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. All right, let's use this back. Then after you click on the browser and you select the image, you click on upload. Then you do the same for the next one. Browse, select the particular image, then you click on upload again. You can use 2 different images, but we are just going to use the same image for this. You click on the upload. Okay, so it's going to bring us to step 3. After we upload, we click on next. Then you are now going to choose if you want it to be in the PNG form or the JPG form. So most time I just choose the JPG form. Then it's going to download automatically. You are going to click on this mark sign, this yes sign that is colored in orange here. You're going to click on it and it will automatically download to your gallery, and then your ebook cover is ready. Can you see it? It has downloaded automatically to my gallery. So let's just back it. Let's go to the beginning, to the step 1, and try out the single back, the single cover. All right, let's just use this. You are free to explore the site and choose the particular one you like. So I choose that. I next. Can you see, since it's a single cover, it's just showing us to upload one image. You click on browse, you go to your gallery, you check the cover the graphics designer designed for you, or your image that you want to be at the back of your book. Your image can actually be there, your picture can actually be there, so you can just check for the picture you want to be at the cover. Then you select it and done. Then you upload. Then you next and you select the particular this thing you want, either PNG or JPG. Then you mark it at the orange this thing there, and it's going to automatically download to your gallery also. So can you see? Now let's check out what we've just done in our gallery. Okay, now here is it. Can you see what we've just created? Can you see it? What we've just created is just as simple as that. As far as you have your back ready, that is, as far as the graphics designer have made the back for you or has designed the back for you, all you have to do is just upload it and then you download it to your gallery, and your ebook cover is ready to be uploaded, to be posted or to be used. So if you actually find this video valuable, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also share these videos with your friend. The link to the site where you'll be doing this is included in the description of the video. So this thing, the way you can monetize it, if you have a friend that is creating a book or someone that needs a back cover, you can actually charge them for this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.